guys, welcome again to my channel. I am here in my kitchen again, and we will be cooking the sticky sweet and sour pork ribs. This is so exciting because this is one of our meat recipe favorites. Yeah. So let us start now. I prepared here the spices. Here they are. So we have here the garlic, of course, the laurel, bay leaves, and the star anise, the peppercorns, the chili flakes, the ginger, the red onions, the oyster sauce, the liquid seasoning, and then later when it's already cooked, I will just garnish a little bit of this grind black pepper, and then the honey, then the cooking wine, the rice wine, and then the EVOO, the extra virgin olive oil, and then of course this meat, the pork ribs. I have here 2 kilos, more than 2 kilos here. And then I have here also the water. I have here 4 cups of water. Okay, so let's now begin. Okay, first timplahan natin muna yung karne, yung spices. Lagay natin dito. Yan. Ganito ang gawin natin, guys. Ilagay na yung oyster sauce. Pampalasa. Yan. Ganun ang mag-marinate. Bago natin i-fry. And then, the seasoning. A little bit of garlic. Just half of that. Just rub. Ganun lang, guys. Rub lang natin. Ayan, ilagay ang chili flakes like that. Ayan, ganun lang. And then the honey. Kita ba dun? This is pure honey, guys, from Kirkland. This is clover honey. Yan. Then okay. Yeah. And then let us fry. Okay? Okay, guys, sindihan natin. Let us fry. Initin ng kawali. Then place olive oil. Anyway, guys, this is an extra virgin olive oil kasi mas madaling mamula yung karne dito dahil mas mabilis na uminit. Okay? I said, I use the extra virgin olive oil because extra virgin olive oil heat very quickly. Very fast. So, it means much easier for this meat to become golden brown. Okay? Yan ang purpose natin. So, let us wait a minute. And then, let's place. Guys, see that? Kita nyo yung ano, chili flakes. Ang bango. It smells so good, I said. It smells so good. Okay. Maybe garlic. And wait for it to become brown. A little bit of patience for waiting this to become brown, and then we will flip it up, and then let's cook in the oven. Okay, now, let's see. Wow, nice. Nice and golden brown. Okay, okay lang yan. Medyo litin siya kasi because of the honey. Okay? Wow. Nice. So perfectly done. Look at this. See? Oh. Yum. Pork ribs, sticky pork ribs. So, I mean, sweet and sour sticky pork ribs. Yan ba ang tawag natin dyan? I don't know. How we call this? Honeyed sticky pork ribs. Okay? Honeyed sweet and sour pork ribs. Alin doon? I don't know because this is my creation. This is my recipe. This is my own fantasy of cooking. So let's see what will be the result. Oh my God, bulul. Sorry guys, I'm speaking English today because a lot of people cannot understand Tagalog. Pagpasensyahan nyo na. Huwag na kayo magalit kung mag-English ang isang Pinay, okay? Here we are at ang sarap ng itsura. So malapit na tayong matapos magprito. We will be cooking that with the rice wine later. Okay? So here it is. Okay na. Ready to transfer in the oven, I think. Look at that. Okay na. Both sides are golden brown now. So let's be cooking in the oven. Okay. Let us now harvest. Okay. Dito ka na. Wow. Nice. Nice, nice, nice. Very good. Very, very good. See this? You see this? So juicy, so colorful, so wow. You see this? So nice. Okay? So nice, guys. This one. Beautiful, beautiful. Very beautiful. So juicy, so yummy. So juicy, so yummy. Let's do this. Let's do this, guys. Okay, na-arrange na ganyan. So now, let's go there. Lagay natin yung mga bawang. Wow. So colorful. Okay. Let's go there, guys. So here we are. Let's continue. Okay. Ito, guys. Ang gagawin ko dito sa na-fry, napapula na ribs, ay ilagay ko na yung mga iba pang sahog like this one. See? The ginger. Para siya bumango at sumarap. Yan. See that? Ang sarap yan. And then, star anise, of course. Ayan. The 3 corners. And then, the bay leaves. Para bumango. Bay leaves. And then, the peppercorns. And then, another pinch of chili flakes like that. And then the liquid seasoning. And then the remaining garlic. Of course, the remaining garlic. And then the red onions. Anyway, for the spices, you can adjust. What I am making here is my own creation and my own taste. The taste of our tongue here in this house. So, and then the pepper again. I placed already the peppercorns, but a little of this grind peppers. And then a little of honey. Like that. Like that, guys. Wow. Diba? Sarap. And then, of course, I have here my cooking wine. This is a rice wine. Okay. I will let it boil in the oven. And then, add the water later. Okay, let's go to the oven. Upon boiling, I will add the water. Okay? So, let's go. Okay. At ilagay na natin. Ilagay na natin, guys. Ready na ang oven. Mainit na. Wow. Maybe here. Sa flooring. Sa ground floor ko ilagay. Yan. Para madaling maluto. See? So, hintayin natin ng 30 to 45 minutes. After 30 minutes, dadalawin natin. And then, if it's okay, it's okay. Kung hindi pa, another 15 minutes, so it will become 45 minutes. It is already boiling, so let us now put the water. Wow. Wow. Okay. Another 30 minutes and it will be done. Okay? Kasi yung tubig, the water will serve as tenderizer of the meat. Okay? Let us just wait. After 30 minutes of waiting, wow, already done. Oh, wow. Tingnan natin itong makapal-kapal kung okay na, malambot na. Exactly. See? Wawawi. Exactly. Very nice. Here it is. Oh, close up. Ang sarap. This is my sticky pork ribs. Yan. Sticky sweet and sour pork ribs. Okay, let's go na and eat. Okay na guys. Papatayin ko na ito at kakain na. Kain na tayo. Okay, switch off.